Let's talk about drawing templates. These are going to save you time in filling out a title block. And in an academic program, there's going to be a lot of things in a title block we don't use. So we'll go ahead and take those out. So I'm going to open a new drawing. I'll use the standard drawing that Solidworks comes with. It's going to be an A-size drawing. It'll fit on a regular sheet of paper. So in order to change the title block, I've got to go to sheet format right here, edit sheet format, and now it brings me back a layer so that I can deal with this title block. So for this course, I don't really need all the typical industry drawn checked approvals or the proprietary and confidential block. So I'm just going to get rid of all this. And how I'll do that is go to Sketch. I'll grab all of this and make sure not to catch the thick black border lines. I'll press Delete. I'll come up here and I want to make a line all the way to the edge there, and that should be enough. I'll delete company name. I'll delete Draw 4. And now I'll add in some title fields. How I'll do that is go to Annotation, Note. I'll put one up here. I'll call this Name, capital letters. The font is a little big, so I'll make it 10. Colon in, and that's okay. Press OK. This isn't going to change. Now we want to add in the title fields that will change. So I'll put one right here. I have to go over here to Link to Property, the left side. Click it. What I care about here is the property name. So this one, I'll go down, I'll find Author, and now I don't need to enter anything in here, I'll just press OK. So I want to do the same thing for title. I'll go to Properties, right here, Title, OK, and I'll green check, OK. Drawing number, I'm going to change to class. I'm going to go to Note, put it right here, Properties, and I'll make this Subject. It's OK, OK, good to go. I have one more that I can add in here. Like Properties, I want to put the date. Last date saved. I'll use a short down here at the bottom, short date, no time, so it gives me the date. I can change the font to something a little more reasonable, maybe a 10, and I'll press OK. And then I'll just move this and center it a little bit. Okay? All good there. So it looks like we have nothing, but when I back out, we'll see what we're doing. We'll exit, edit sheet format. I'll go to Edit Sheet Format, Title Block Fields, and I'll just press each of the ones I just made up. I'll click the green check. I'll edit Sheet Format, and then whenever I double click this, it's going to let me punch in whatever I want. So there's another way to change the title block fields, and that is to go up here to File Properties, and we can change them right here. It's a little bit easier to adjust them without having to double click inside of an area. Title, sample, MFTS 120. That's okay. We're good to go. Nice and easy. So, in order to use this for later, if it's going to be your template, you could leave your name in there because it's always going to be you, and you could leave the subject because it's always going to be the same class. We'll come up here to save as, drawing template, draw dot. We'll save it in whatever folder you want. And then just make sure to let SolidWorks know where to find it. And that's going to be under Options, File Locations, and I already have it here. But if I needed to add it, I'll just find my folder and do Select Folder. Okay? So when I go to open a new drawing, it's going to be right here. It'll open up, it'll have my name. All I've got to do is double click, punch in, and I'll have my title. Nice and easy. Okay?